Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Glassdoor business account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and manage your company's profile. Step 1. Visit employers.glassdoor.com and log into your Glassdoor business account using the credentials you created during registration. Step 2. Navigate to your employer dashboard where you can manage your company profile, reviews, and job postings. Step 3. Look for a notification or banner indicating that your account needs verification. Glassdoor requires business verification to ensure legitimate company representation. Step 4. Click on Verify Your Business or Complete Verification to begin the process. Step 5. Prepare documentation that proves your affiliation with the company, such as a business email address from your company domain, business license, or official company letterhead. Step 6. Enter your business email address using your company's official domain. Glassdoor will send a verification email to this address to confirm your association with the company. Step 7. Check your business email inbox for the verification message from Glassdoor. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Step 8. If additional verification is required, you may need to upload business documents such as your business registration, tax ID, or other proof of company ownership or employment. Step 9. Fill out any required information about your role at the company and your authority to manage the Glassdoor business account. Step 10. Wait for Glassdoor's verification team to review your submission. This process typically takes 2 to 5 business days. You'll receive an email notification once your business account is verified, and you can fully access all employer features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.